G'day guys, we are heading out onto the Mandurah Estuary for the first Tailor session of the year, and my hopes are high. Haven't got one yet in the estuary. We've just gone through a good weather patch, so hopefully they're there now, and hopefully they're sized. So I made a bit of an upgrade this season, and I've got the Bass Day Sugar Pen 95 centimeter, and I've just changed out the treble for some assist hooks on the back, size 8, and they've got a bit of a UV glow on them, and I reckon that's going to be a killer Tailor lure this season. Trolling through the estuary here in Mandurah. When I'm in my kayak, I like to have 2 rods, one on each side, but it's important to make sure that both rods are secured. So I've got one in a holder, like so. First Tailor of the summer, and that bad boy, yeah boy, first cast, happy days. So we got Tailor number 2 on the boat. Let's have a look at this one. She's swallowed the smiling jack. Greedy boy. Yeah. Hold your horses there, mate. Hold your horses, mate. Oh, she was hungry, eh? Double clutch. Beautiful Mandurah. The dolphins is something that we're used to. Well, we shouldn't get used to it, but let's have a look. They come right up to the kayak. for the estuary. It's Black Magic fluorocarbon, £8. Great invisible leader to keep the line hidden from those fish. So when I'm herring fishing in my kayak, I like to use a little bit of a burley trail. So I've got a burley pot and I'll just drop it over the side. Any burley, but also like an oil mixed does the treat, and it just leaves that trail behind you. So when you got your lures out the back of the kayak, it just helps up your catch rate. So this is the burley that I use. Got a ultralight pellet burley, and there's my bucket. Just grab my bucket, it's already full. Chuck it over the side, make sure it's all sealed up. Boom, there she goes. I'll just tie it off to the kayak and we're good to go. The Savage 4-gram FC38. Nice mandra herring, good size. Nice mandra herring, good size. Herring on a ZX40. Well, that was a good first session of the season out on the Mandurah Estuary. The Tailor were on the bite for the first 20 minutes and that was enough to get dinner. So let's have a look at the catch. There we go. Hi guys, so we've got our fish from today's catch ready to go. We're just gonna quickly fillet it and get it ready for the barbecue. So I'll just give it a quick fillet and then open it up, give it a scale, get it ready for the barbie. So just open up his guts. Pull them out. We'll give that a wash. Give him a scale, both sides. So the guts are out. Just going to give him a scale. Other side. Last Tailor, just give him 3 scores. Turn him. Same again. 2, 3. There we have it. Three Tailor, all scored up, ready for the barbie. Hey guys, and welcome back to the Catch and Cook. So we have got our Tailor ready now, and I've got them all prepped up. And basically, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cook them on the barbie. They're not massive, but you know, it's important for me to emphasize that if you catch fish, you've got to keep to the size limit. And I always measure my fish before I keep them, put them in the esky. And these guys, they're about 32 each, all the same size, but perfect eating size. What I've done is I've just scaled them, as I've mentioned, pulled them out, kept them whole. I've just put some lemon on the top, and I've made up a garlic and parsley butter, which I'll put inside them and stuff them. And then I've got some mushies, which I'm going to fry up with some garlic and parsley butter. And then I've already got some ready-made crispy duck fat potatoes, which I bought previously, and they'll just go in the oven. And I've made up a nice little coleslaw as a side. So yeah, as you can see, that's the feed. I've got the barbie on, so that's the next step. Let's get it all going. So I like to give them a good 5 minutes on each side on the barbie, and then they're pretty good. But obviously it depends on how long you heat up your coals for and how hot the coals are, so it's important to check your temperature before you put your fish on. But I like to go for, I mean, depending on the size of the fish, 5 minutes on each side. There we have it, guys. Peel on a barbie, the Peel Estuary on a barbie. Herring, Tailor, King George whiting. Disclaimer here, I never intended to be part of a celebrity master chef when I prepared this Catch and Cook, so here we go. There we've got our Tailor roasties, a nice coleslaw and some garlic mushies. Let's give it a go, eh? Tight lines. Until next time, take care.